Good morning. I'm going to get started with Saxon today. So yesterday we learned A consonant E, okay? And today we are going to learn O consonant E and U consonant E. So it's going to be pretty much the same, just if there's an O instead of an A or a U instead of an A, okay? So on number one, we're going to do the letter sounds. So number one, the sound is A, so that'll be A consonant E, comma, A. Okay, number two, M, three, W, four, E. Number five, digraph TH. Number six, D. Number seven, digraph NG. Number eight, T. Number nine, U. And number 10, U. Okay, on number 11, we're going to spell the word make. A consonant E. Number 12, we're going to spell the word who. It's a sight word, who. There's who. Okay, now I'm going to say three words. Tone, hope, code. So the sound that we hear in the middle of all those words is O. So I'm going to write these words. Tone, hope, and code. Okay, we hear O in the middle of all those words. And what does the letter O say when it's followed by a consonant? Normally it says ah if it's followed by a consonant. But in this word, we have a sneaky E on the end of all of these words, okay? And so we see the letter O, that's making the O sound. Then do we see a sneaky E? Yes. Let's cross it out because sneaky E is silent, so we cross him out. So now sneaky E makes the O say its name. So we're going to put a macron because macron always tells us the vowel is going to say its name. So own, tone. Next one, I see vowel O and I see a sneaky E. So I cross out sneaky E, put a macron on the O. Ope, hope. Next one, I see vowel O, but I also see a sneaky E. So I'm going to cross out sneaky E. Sneaky E makes the vowel say its name. Ode, code. And that C would also have a K back because it makes the K sound. Okay. Now I'm going to show you our new letter card for O consonant E. O consonant E. Then I'm going to show you the picture card for O consonant E. This is a long skinny tube. You may use one at home to water your garden or yard. Firemen use a big one to fight fires. Hose. So when you see this picture card, we'll say hose O. Hose O. Okay. And then we're going to learn another sound. And our picture card is U consonant E. Remember I told you we were going to learn O consonant E and U consonant E. So there's U consonant E. And the picture card for it is, this is a shape with square sides. Children's blocks and ice usually come in this shape. What do you think it is? And it is cube. So when you see this, you'll say cube, U. Cube, U. Okay. Now we're going to code some words with the U sound. So U consonant E can be tricky because it has two sounds. When we see U consonant E, we usually say U as in cube or cute. But look at this really quick. I'm going to show you a new word. Okay, so we have U consonant E. So normally it would say U because that's the vowel's name, U. So what is this word? This word is rule, rule. So we don't read it as rule, we read it as rule, or rule, okay? So This rule with the oo sound, no, we don't say oo and we don't say you. So it just makes a unique sound, okay? All right, now I'm going to show you our new sight word cards. We have the word done, and we have the word one. That's the number one. Okay, remember sight words do not follow spelling rules. We cannot sound them out. That is why they're called sight words. We just have to memorize them. Okay, all right, now I am going to go back to our worksheet here. And on number 15, we're going to, well, actually down here on number 13, we're going to write our two new rules that we just learned. So we learned O consonant E, and we learned U consonant E. Okay. So on 15, we're going to spell the word rope. Rope. R-O-P. Rope. And the next one is home. Home. And 17 is cute. 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 Okay. Now we are going to practice coding these words. So on the first one, I immediately see O consonant E. So we're going to cross out the E and put a macron on the O, and then we have digraph TH. Those. Those. Next one, I see O consonant E. So I'm going to cross out the E, macron on the O. Globe. Globe. There's a picture of the globe. Next one, I see U consonant E. Cross out the E, macron on the U. Mule. Mule. Next one, I see U consonant E. So I cross out the E and put a macron on the U. Use. Use. Okay. Next one, I see U consonant E. Cross out the E, put a macron on the U. Okay. Then I see two vowels here, O and U. So we have two vowels, we put V's under them. Two letters in between are consonants, so they get C's, and we draw our line. That O is going to get a breathe because it's followed by a consonant, and the C gets a K back. Okay. Costume. Next one, I see a suffix S. We box it in, and the I gets a breathe. Fins. Next one, I see A consonant E. Cross out the E, macron on the A. Aim. Tame. Next one, I see suffix ED. Okay, so let's finish this word. Okay, so we boxed in suffix ED. Then I see a vowel here, it's going to get a breathe because it's followed by a consonant. Helped. Okay, next one, I have vowel U. There's a consonant after it. There's no sneaky E, so I put a breathe, just like our normal rule. And the C gets a K back. Scrub. Next one, I have suffix S. We box it in. Then I see two vowels, I and E. So they both get V's, C's in between, and we put our line. The I gets a breathe, and the E gets a breathe, and the C gets a K back. Insects. There's our picture, insects. So on the back, you have to answer the questions, and then you have your letter blends. So we have scarecrow, grass, splinter, and blouse. All right, now we're going to move on to math. All right, so we're going to continue subtracting, and we're going to use pictures to do it. So on this problem, we have some pictures of dogs. We have brown dogs and white dogs. And it says that there are 9 brown dogs. So here's our 9 brown at the top. And then it says that there are only 5 bowls. So there's 9 dogs and only 5 bowls. How many more dogs need a bowl? says there are 7. Oh, and this is another problem, so we'll look at that in a minute. Okay, so there's 9 brown dogs, and they only have 5 bowls. So they need to know how many more bowls are they going to need. Okay, so let's draw 5 bowls down here at the bottom. So there's 1 bowl, 2 bowls, 3 bowls, 4 bowls, and 5 bowls. So there's the 5 bowls that they have. Okay, we need to know how many more are they going to need because they have 9 dogs and they all need a bowl. So let's draw a line from the dog to his bowl. There's that dog's bowl, this dog's bowl, this dog's bowl, and this dog's bowl. Okay, oh, I skipped that one, that dog's bowl. Okay, so all these dogs have their bowl here. How many dogs don't have a bowl? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. We need 4 more bowls. Okay. Then down here is another problem. It says that there are 7 white dogs. So here's our 7 white dogs. And it says there are 8 bowls. How many bowls are not needed? Well, they have 7 dogs and 8 bowls. So they have too many bowls. So we need to figure out how many extra ones do they have. So let's draw the 8 bowls. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's draw a line from the dog to his bowl so we can figure out how many extras we have. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many extras do we have that doesn't have a puppy? We have 1 extra, so our answer is 1. There's 1 extra bowl. Then on the next page, it says to compare the groups and subtract to find out how many fewer or how many more there are. Well, it looks like we have bluebirds up here, and we have all these nests. I think we're going to have too many nests. Okay, so let's connect the lines and see how many birds have a nest. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 birds have a nest. It wants to know how many more nests are there that don't have a bird. Well, there's 1, 2, 3. So 10 minus 7 equals 3. There are 3 fewer birds. Okay. Then down here we have nests and we have birds. So we need to connect the bird to the nest. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. How many nests do we have left over? 1, 2. So 6 minus 4 is 2. There are 2 more nests than what we need. Then down here at the bottom, we're going to draw a line from the flower to the bee. Okay, how many bees don't have a flower? 1, 2, 3. So 8 minus 5 equals 3. There are 3 fewer flowers. Okay, then on the next page, we're going to draw a line from the ladybug to the leaf. 1, 2, 3. How many extra ladybugs are there that don't have a leaf? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 9 minus 3 equals 6. There are 6 more ladybugs. Okay. Then on the next one, it says Sam has 5 baseball hats and 3 baseballs. How many fewer baseballs does Sam have? Well, let's draw our hats. Okay. All right, and then here is the little bill. Here's another hat. Here's the bill. Okay, and we're drawing 5 baseball hats. There's my 5 baseball hats, and it says there's 3 baseballs, so I need to draw 3 baseballs. So there's 1, 2, 3. Oh, just 3. Let me mark that out. I accidentally drew too many there. Okay, so there's our 3 baseballs. We need to draw lines from the baseball hat to the ball and see how many hats are left. So there's 1, 2, 3. How many hats are left that don't have a ball? 1, 2. So there are 2 fewer baseballs. Okay, not going to do those. You can cross those out. And then on the back, we have our crows and the corn. So it wants to know how many more crows are there. So let's draw our lines so they each have a corn. How many crows are left? 1, 2. So there's 2 more crows than there are corn. The next one says Sid has 5 blue cars and 2 red cars. Ted has 4 cars. How many more cars does Sid have than Ted? Okay, well, it says that Sid has 5 blue cars. So let's draw 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And he has 2 red cars, so 2 more cars. Those are Sid's. Ted only has 4 cars, so we're going to draw 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many more cars does Sid have? Well, let's connect the dots and see how many are left. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. How many don't have an extra car? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 more. All right, how many fewer leaves are there? We need to connect our lines from the ladybug to the leaf. How many ladybugs don't have a leaf? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 fewer leaves. Okay, so that's math. And I will post pictures of what you need to turn into me. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.